What are three main differences between Power BI and Excel? Power BI is primarily designed for data visualization and business intelligence. It excels at creating interactive and visually appealing reports and dashboards, while Excel is a spreadsheet program focused on calculations and data manipulation. Power BI is optimized for handling larger volumes of data and can provide better performance when working with extensive datasets. Excel can struggle with large datasets and may become slow or unresponsive in such scenarios. Power BI offers more advanced data modeling capabilities, allowing users to create relationships between different data tables and build complex data models. Excel can handle data modeling to some extent, but it's not as robust as Power BI in this regard.